Yo guys, we got some very good information about this upcoming Air Jordan 1 that honestly might go down as sneaker of the year. And I'm gonna tell you guys why I say that later in the video, but we got some good details, especially for us consumers that, you know what I'm saying, don't wanna pay an arm and a leg for a shoe. I'm hearing it's gonna be a good amount of stock on these guys, dropping our resale down to an affordable level. We gotta talk about today's video, man. Let's get right into it. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping in to today's video. You guys already know, man, we are back with some more informational video, and I'm always loving dropping these informational videos for you guys so you can know what's going on, bro. Everybody ain't on Twitter, everybody ain't on IG, everybody ain't following different cook groups and stuff like that, but I got y'all, bro. I consolidate all the information and we drop the videos on the channel, man. So make sure you guys subscribe right now if you're new, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content, bro, because I am hearing it. Bro, we just getting started, bro. We only in February and we done got some bangers already, bro. I'm talking about some crazy releases. Air Jordan 3 Black Hats, Black Metallic 5s, Bread Heidi 5s, just so many drops already, and we still got some bangers on the way in February. Like, it's a whole bunch of heat coming out in February, and we just getting started, bro. We need to talk about all the other heat, bro. So again, stick around, stay tuned by hitting notification bell so you don't miss out on anything that happens. Hopefully we see a shock drop from Nike. Everybody like, yo, we want that traditional shock drop on the Nike sneakers app. And it ain't looking like we're gonna see one soon, but hopefully they shake it up. They switch it up a little bit and kind of give us something that we are not expecting. They put it on our heads right now that you ain't gonna see a shock drop, and out of nowhere I feel like they will drop it. And it's gonna be one of them times where, you know, people on YouTube ain't gonna be able to let you guys know because it's really gonna be one of those genuine shock drops. Not like shock drops in stores, not pop-up shock drops and stuff like that, but actual shock drop on the Nike sneakers app. So again, if you don't want to miss out, you already know what to do, man. Now make sure you guys run the likes up. Every single like counts. And it shows YouTube you guys enjoying the content, and that just motivates me a little bit, man. So if you don't mind, bruh, do your boy a quick solid, run them likes up. All right, guys, so we got some crazy details over the last couple days, actually, about a crazy Air Jordan 1, and we did not expect these things to release yet. Everybody was already focused on the Heidi 5s, they focused on the black toes and stuff like that, but out of nowhere, we got an update today, and they said we're gonna be getting the Air Jordan 1 Union LA backs this month, bro. Next week, bro, February 27th, that will be dropping on Union's website. I'm gonna leave it down below so you guys are hip, you know where to go. And I'm hearing, again, this is over the last 2 days we got this information that there's going to be a high stock, bro. A high stock on these guys. They're not going to make them super limited like the black toe unions or the storm blue joints. This is going to be one of the ones that we can actually obtain and actually buy for an affordable price. You might not hit on, Union's website. I don't know if they're doing an E2O raffle or anything like that, but I literally just hit on the last Union ones that released. You guys know, with the baseball glove mitt or whatever they had going on with the stitching going through the sock line. It was some crazy stuff, but I copped that one. I actually like that Union, and now hopefully with it being a high stock on these guys, we should be in some good luck, bro. So I'm not hearing it like a definitive number, but if they saying high stock, I'm just thinking of the last Union drop that we got with the ones we just talked about. And if it's some good pairs, bro, we should be in good luck. That resale is already dropping, bro. It was going for like 1,500 last week, and then once we got this information about there being a lot of pairs, now that price is steadily dropping down. So this is, to me, bro, one of the best ones. Like, this might go down as the best Union 2 drop in terms of a Jordan 1 collab with them. It's got to be up there with the black toes. I really love the black toes. Always want those in the collection. But we got a Chicago, bro. This one right here, bro, is my second favorite colorway in the Jordan 1s. You guys know what the first one is, the Breads. And guess what I don't have? I don't have the Heidi 5s. I don't have the 2016s. I need to get them, bro. And I promise, I'm gonna get them eventually. I just gotta bite that bullet, pay the resale, and get them before that price continues to go up. Because I can definitely see that shoe being $600 by the summertime. So I need to buy them right now. Like, what am I doing? I need to buy them before the price goes crazy. That's neither here nor there. But again, the Chicago colorway is one of my favorites, and that is the base sneaker for Union, what they will be doing with these joints with a shadow upper, man. So you guys know they always switch it up. They switch up on the storm blue Unions, switch up for the black toe Unions, kind of giving us a little diversity in the sneakers, throwing a couple different colorways. And for these, we have the Chicago bottoms, keeping it true to the Chicagos and on the upper shadow. I think that is super crazy. Gray and red go perfect together. And all these official images that I have been seeing, bro, they are looking even better by the day. Every time I see them, I said, bro, I need a pair. I keep resharing them on my story, keep resharing them on Twitter and stuff like that. I need to cop these things. They're definitely coming to the collection. And I told you, I'm trying to keep my collection this year, or only, cop 10 shoes. And I'm only at 3 right now. Only cop 3 pairs of shoes so far for the collection. And I'm definitely eyeing the Galaxies, definitely eyeing the Bread Heidi 5s, and these I'm back Union to LA's, man. So for the details on that shoe, again, we're here in high stock, which should be a good thing. But the full rundown, it will be dropping again February 27th at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time and 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time via Union LA's website. Again, I'm gonna link that down below so you guys know where to go. And if it's anything like the last drop we got with the Unions, bro, we in some good luck, bro. And I'm hoping, bro, that resale go all the way down. I don't care about resale. I just want to get the shoes I want. But again, of course, with hype, everybody gonna come out the woodwork trying to grab them. Just look at the Galaxies. Nobody rock foams. I ain't seen nobody talk about foams. Every time I drop the video talking about the foam, people said foam is dead. And guess who come out to play when the Galaxies come back out? It's just hype, bro. It is what it is. We know what's going on. We know when the hype kind of catches the straits of people. And these Union LAs, they got that Chicago colorway on there, probably top 1, top 2 Air Jordan 1 colorways all time. You throw a shadow on there, it's just a masterpiece, bro. So I can see the hype being high for those, but with high stock, we should be paying not too much. Hopefully we hit for retail. I'm not trying to say you gotta pay resale, but hopefully we hit for retail so we don't have to worry about that, and we should be good to go. And that kind of leads me to a comment that I seen today. Somebody said I'm hyping up the black metallic 5s to help my reseller buddies. I don't even know what that means. I don't resell shoes. I have to pay resale for the Bread Heidi 5s. Like, I don't know what you talk about, bro, but it is what it is. I'm gonna try to address a couple comments in the videos because I be saying some of the craziest things, bro. But again, you guys can drop your comments down below. Let me know what you think. I am very interested in seeing what y'all talking about. I respond to every single one. I'm engaged in every single one. Whatever you do say, hey, I'm gonna take it how it is, but just know you're gonna get a response, you know what I'm saying? So again, let me know what you think about these Union to LA Air Jordan 1s. Is this the best one? It could potentially be, top 1, top 2, it's either those or the black toes. It's just like, one of those, which one you want to take. But I do think that, people are gonna safeguard the black toes because they're a little bit more limited than the Chicago I'm back Union LA. So you guys know, bro, when something's more hyped than the other, people try to trash the other joint. But these are actually very, very unique, bro, with the Chicago colorway. And we getting the Chicago 1 lows this year. We getting these Chicago Union LAs. It is looking good for the Jordan 1 lineup this year because, again, Bread Heidi 5s, black toe 1s, Chicago 1 lows, Union LA 1s. It's just a lot of stuff coming out, and yeah, I'm all here for it, bro. And again, we're only in February, bro. February 27th is we already heating up, bro. Because I do believe on that same day, if I'm not mistaken, let me check. Let me check while I'm actually recording this video because I believe we are getting the Galaxies on that same day, if I'm not mistaken. Let me pull up Sneakers app real quick to make sure I'm not tripping. But if these Galaxies and the Unions drop on the same day, just know we're gonna, no, so they drop February 21st. They dropped this week. I didn't even know that, bro. The Galaxies release on Friday. So hopefully I get a crazy, crazy dub on them guys. Hopefully the resale keep dropping their nose. If I don't, but we got Galaxies. Then next week, we got these Union joints. I think the retail is like $250, if I'm not mistaken. $250 or $225, one of the two. You guys know when it's a collab, they always raising the retail tag up because it comes with an extra box or a different box. It comes with some extra laces and it's a collab. So, we kind of paying what we getting, you know what I'm saying? We definitely getting what we pay for with this collab. Always top notch on the quality. And if you remember, the pair that everybody trashed, the Union LA Air Jordan 1s, people love the quality, but they hated the colorway. You know what I'm saying? It's one of those give and take things, but they went crazy on that collaboration in terms of the quality. The colorway wasn't all the way there for me, but still a solid Air Jordan 1 in my honest opinion, man. So yeah, guys, you let me know in the comment section if this is the top 1, top 2 in the Union collab with Jordan 1s. I can definitely see the hype coming out of nowhere even a little bit more aggressively, you know what I'm saying, when we get closer to the release date. And hopefully, since we get a Union LA drop on their website, we might get something on the sneakers app. We don't know. We could potentially see it. Are we gonna get our first shock drop? Who knows? On the sneakers app, bro. Now, I want to reiterate that sneakers is not the only place that does shock drops. I want to get that out y'all head. Y'all believe because y'all see shock drop and a shoe behind it and Nike that they own the word shock drop, bro. There's shock drops everywhere, bro. Like, and fragrances and all types of stuff. But we ain't gonna dibble and dabble that too much. I just hope y'all understand that Nike don't own shock drops. They do a lot of shock drops, but other entities do shock drops, bro. I've been trying to explain that in the comment section, but y'all don't want to believe me. But man, I appreciate y'all for tapping in. Make sure you run the likes up, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you let me know if you're gonna be snagging these things, passing them, because I'm trying to see what that energy like. So we can do a reaction on a release date. Hopefully I get them for retail, but if not, I got to pay resale for them guys, and I'm not gonna be mad about any penny that I spend on them joints. But I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. Sub up, hit the notification bell for your boys to miss out on any updates that we do get pertaining to these upcoming releases, because I am here to drop that info, and we ain't safeguarded no info. I'm letting y'all guys know everything, and yeah, hopefully we should be good to go with some of these, you know, upcoming releases. Hopefully the stock ain't too low, even though Jordan Brand has kind of cut back on stock, but I just want everybody to get some dubs, especially them retail dubs is just tremendous, you feel me? But again, I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. All that's been said, man, your boy The Vintage. Gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.